Cyfex, leading technology for your production. Fast earmold production from design to printing. The CKD system consists of 5 components: scanner, designer, viewer, builder, ERP link. ERP link connects the applications in your lab with your XML-enabled ERP system and your web shop. CKD designer. Fully automated noise protection modeling in 30 seconds. In your ERP system, you will see your list of orders. Start CKD Designer directly from here. With new document, the design process is started, the scan is loaded. CKD Designer calculates a preview of the modeled earmold. This is modeling without manual intervention. The modeling is finished, the file is saved, the STL file is exported. The next example is modeling with some manual intervention. In your ERP system you will see your list of orders. Start CKD Designer directly from here. With new document, the design process is started, the scan is loaded, the preview is shown. The earmold technician decides to adjust the grip. The grip's orientation is modified. The opposite side is modeled. The orientation of the grip is mirrored. Save and export the file. CKD Viewer. CKD Viewer serves 3 main purposes: quality control, customer service, assembly. CKD Viewer can be started from within the ERP system as well. This is hard hearing protection with an injection mold. The models can be turned and inspected. The parameters can be checked. If CKD Viewer is used for assembly purposes, it is mostly ITEs that are examined. CKD Builder, build preparation for earmolds. Automated nesting, creation of support structures, multi-layer. CKD Builder can be started from within your ERP system. CKD Builder knows, in a manner of speaking, what to do with each model in terms of orientation, nesting and support creation. The software has been configured that way. There are many extremely useful features to increase your productivity. For example, base plate cropping for the last print job in the day, as shown here. The STL file of the build platform will be saved in your ERP system. Cyfex, leading technology for your production. Contact us for more information.